Hello everyone, welcome to the session. I'm glad you decided to be part of this learning experience. This week, we will focus on the importance of cooperative work in our classroom environment. I'm sure that on your teacher training, you have heard about Stephen Krashen and his theory of second language acquisition. We have all discussed the affective filter hypothesis and the impact certain emotions have in the process of learning a second language. As teachers, we're always worried about how to motivate our students to help them learn better. Now, I think that we have focused so much on the things we must do to motivate them that we got sidetracked and we missed out the whole point of authentic education. Learning, it's a naturally social act. Picture yourself helping your grandma cooking that family traditional dish, learning by doing that recipe that will pass on from generation to generation. Students actively engage and therefore deeply learn when we create opportunities for them to discuss with peers, when they feel part of a team that needs their input, when they feel accountable. That is a long-lasting motivation. We will learn this week, as Stephen Keegan theory says, that once a teacher obtains a special repertoire of cooperative structures, that teacher can make any lesson a cooperative learning lesson. So how about we promote cooperative work to spice up our English classes? How could that be done, probably you're asking? Well, by presenting our students with challenges to solve. It is time that we teach our students not only the language, but also to do something with the language. And to achieve that goal, PBL is the answer. Welcome to week 1.